Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show you an exciting new feature within the customer administration portal, which is the text to speech feature. And I'm very excited about it. It's something that I think a lot of people are going to like, especially when they do not like doing their own recordings for the customer administration portal. Um, the first thing that you want to do after you log in is come over to Enterprise Services and then go to Announcement Repository. And um, from here, you're going to click on Upload Audio File and then Text to Speech. So here you will see that you have select voice in English. And if you use the drop down, you have 5 voices to choose from. I'm gonna show you a couple of them. So here is Danielle.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I can read any text for you. Test it out.
And then let's listen to Stephen.
Hi, I'm Steven. I can read any text for you. Test it out.
All right, cool. So I'm going to use Stephen as an example, and I am going to type the text that I want Stephen to say into this box. If you have already typed out a script, you can just copy and paste it in here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. And this works for auto attendant as well as like your voicemail greetings. Um, Anything that you need to upload a recording for, you can do this. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit generate. All right, and you can see it has the file name here. And I'm going to hit play.
Thank you for calling Plateau. For customer care, press 1. For tech support, press 2.
All right, awesome. So I love it. If I want, I can download it. I can change the file name. All right. And then I'm going to upload it into the announcement repository. So you have that right here. Now what I want to do is I want to go into the auto attendant and I want to upload it. So now I'm going to go over to auto attendant underneath enterprise services. And I'm going to go under action and click on edit. And now I'm going to edit my business hours menu. All right. And then up here, I'm going to click on browse. Then I am going to find my new recording here and then hit save. Now I'd want to make sure that my buttons here match what the recording says and where they are pointing to. If I want to, I can click play and it'll play the recording. But for me, I'm just going to click on save changes. All right, awesome. So from here going forward, they will hear when they call in, the customers are going to hear that new recording of Stephen reading my script. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know.